going on? What was going on? What was going on? Hey guys, what's happening? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Sam. Welcome to the Sam fam. Before we get started on today's video, please do me a favor and give this video a huge thumbs up. Comment down below, say what's good, and don't forget to subscribe, turn your post notification bell on, and yeah, follow me on my Instagram, Twitter, social media, all that will be linked down below. So today we're doing a video where I'm taking this shirt actually right here that I got from Misguided, and we're going to be turning it up a little bit. We're gonna safety pin it up, you know, do a little DIY. You guys are gonna come along with me on that little project and we'll see how it turns out. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, we're kind of at a weird angle right now, but I just want to show you guys like the struggle for me to find the right safety pins. So I wanted to do black safety pins with that top. Oh my God, I feel like I don't know, doing weird things. Anyways, I wanted to get black safety pins for the top, and I wanted to basically take off fabric on the sides of the top and put safety pins there. I wanted my safety pins to be about this size, which I thought was like a good size, right? And I thought that this was like an average size. So I ordered these black safety pins off Amazon, and look at them. This is their size. Okay, so well, I just threw that one. But in comparison to the size that I wanted, they're a little off, as you see here. Okay, so then I was like, all right, whatever. I'm gonna order some from Michael's. So then I ordered some from Michael's yesterday, and I was gonna do curbside pickup, but the curbside pickup closed when I ordered them. So I had to wait till today. But I went to Target when I was like doing my errands this morning, and they had safety pins there. So I was like, maybe I'll just get these safety pins and then spray paint them because my tire was low. So I was like, maybe I shouldn't drive all the way to Michael's. But then I'm like, I don't really want to spray paint these. Like, I just want to have regular black safety pins. So the black safety pins I ordered from Michael's ended up being small too. So now I've come up with a new idea. So the Michael's ones had different variations of sizes, but the largest one is this big. So it's still bigger than the other super tiny ones, but still not the size that I want. So I've decided, I think, that I'm going to put the small safety pins together like this, and then have a cool little design with both the safety pins on the sides of the shirt. So we're gonna see how this goes. This is like another DIY video, or this is another DIY video, and we know that my DIYs sometimes just aren't exactly what I'm looking for, but it's okay. So let me go get the shirt and let's get some scissors and get to it. Okay, switch angles. Hopefully this is a little bit better. Okay, so I'm gonna actually take the shirt side by side. Okay, so here's the shirt normally, right? And I'm gonna take it to the side and stretch it out so that both sides are matching up together. So here's one side and here's the other. Hopefully this is making sense. So basically, the front of the shirt is here, but it's folded together and the sides are touching. Like this, okay? So now, I'm gonna make sure that they're both lined up. And I'm gonna bring you guys down so you can see. So now I'm gonna cut off like a strip as big as the two safety pins together. Okay, so now we see like the two safety pins together is about that wide, right? So I'm gonna mark my shirt so that it's a little bit more in, just in case. So I have a pencil right here. Ooh. I'm just gonna mark where the like safety pin head starts. So right where this begins is where I marked it. So you guys can see where the two pencil marks are right there, hopefully. Okay, let me make sure this is lined up appropriately. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the bottom here and just measure the safety pins. Mind you guys, I've never done this method or like this style before, so this is like trial and error for me as well. So it should be a strip about this wide, this long, okay? Now I'm gonna take the leap of faith and go ahead and cut the shirt. I'm not gonna cut it all the way through just yet. I'm gonna stop at the top just to make sure that it's right before I do that. Okay, so I have the flaps open right here. Basically, I'm gonna just cut that portion off, and that's how we're gonna place the safety pin. But I just wanted to make sure that it looked right before I did that. So here's the opening on that side. Here's the opening on this side. I'm gonna just cut the straps off. I'm gonna have to cut those, like the things that they use for the hangers. I'm gonna have to cut those off as well. First, what I'm gonna do is just take the safety pins and put them together. So I'm gonna open up this one and then put it in here. But I'm not putting it through that loop, I'm putting it through the actual safety pins so that the little holes match up together. So I'm gonna open both sides of the safety pin. I'm gonna stick this side here, clip it like that. Stick this side here, clip it. Hold on, maybe you guys can see. Clip it like that. And now we have the safety pins holding each other together. Can you guys see that? Hopefully you can. So I'm gonna just basically repeat that all the way down. Okay, so I ended up lining 10 of them up. I don't know if I'll really need all that, but we'll see. Okay, so it looks like we still have open space. I need more safety pins there, but I kind of almost, I don't know, do I want it to be open on the bottom? I kind of almost like that it's open on the bottom. I'm not too sure just yet. I'm gonna start the other side and just try it on and see how I like it with it like not going all the way down, but if it needs to go all the way down, then I'll do that. Okay, I tried it on really quick. I'm gonna go ahead and, do the pins all the way down. I think I'm also gonna add some pins along the front, just hanging down, like the small ones that I have. I don't know, I think that would be cute, so yeah. We're gonna keep going, but here's what the pins look like so far. I like the way it looks. So far, so good. So I'm gonna put more pins on and then we'll be finished. By the way, in honor of Sunday Fun Day, I'm drinking a Modern Times with a straw in it. I don't know the correlation, but it is what it is. Okay, so the sides are done. Now, I'm going to do the front with the small with the small safety pins, which are these ones that I got from Amazon. And I'm just gonna do it so that the pins are kind of like sitting just like this. I'm gonna go ahead and start placing these now. I really had to pull up a seat on these hose, but look, we're almost done. I don't know if you guys can really see, but all the safety pins are on the bottom. I just got a few little safety pins to put on here. I mean, honestly, this is taking me a long time, but I'm taking my time. I'm like chilling, texting, you know, drinking beer. So it doesn't take that long. I'm just taking my sweet, precious time. All right, I'm about to put the last one. All right, boom. Okay, so we have the bottom safety pinned, the sides safety pinned. Now, I'm gonna do my hair really quick and then try this on and we'll be done. All right guys, so it's all done. I paired it with this little black skirt, put my hair in little space buns. I'm not putting shoes on because I'm not going anywhere, but I probably would wear, I don't know how it would look with it, but my Jordan 1s that are black, silver, and like gray and white. But anyways, here's how the shirt turned out. This is the bottom of the front. I really like how it looks. And then here's the sides. Here's an up close view of the side. And the other side. But yeah, I think it turned out pretty cute. Super simple, but like still jazzed up the shirt, you know? I don't know. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know what y'all think. But that is it. That's all I have for y'all today. Super quick and easy, just a little DIY pinned up shirt. But yeah, I'm gonna take some pics for the gram and edit this video and post it today. So I will see you guys later. Thank you so much for watching. I know there's a ton of these videos out there, but I'm just, you know, doing quarantine activities, keeping myself busy. So I hope you guys are doing the same and staying safe. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to add me on my Instagram. All that good stuff. Okay, bye guys.
Yeah. You ran through my mind. It's like